Alright guys, so today we are trying out a whole entire new setup. I have a camera connected to my ceiling right now, and it is the most professional setup I have done so far on this channel. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So starting off, we have the Nova launcher for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is a launcher that was recommended to me down below in the comment section by a legendary commenter of the channel. And to be honest, is a very simplistic, nice looking launcher. It works with, of course, the outside display in phone mode and also the inside display when you use it in tablet mode. Sadly, it does not rotate, it looks like. That is definitely one issue with it. As I've showed off in my last video, Launcher 10 is still my favorite launcher, but I got some pushback from that. Not many people like the Launcher 10 look. I personally think it looks really good, but again, this is my cup of tea. As always, with Nova Launcher, you have a lot of different options. So first off, you can go ahead and swipe up. You got all your applications right here. You can search them. You can also go ahead and it says grant usage stats. Disable shortcut rows. Let me go ahead and click on this again. You also have wallpaper settings and you have widgets. So when you go here, you have your widgets to all your applications. So for example, you click on Apple Music. You can click on any widget you want. So for example, let's say we click on this one. We drag it right there. Allow it to connect. And is it? Oh, there we go. All right. So it's just going to show up right there with the top, different artists that are currently rocking. Shout out to, actually I was going to say shout out to Eminem's new album, but it's not even on here. Got Posty right there. Very, very nice. Going ahead and going back to this, you do of course have the settings and the wallpaper. This is the Nova Launcher settings. Now I do have the paid version, which is $5, but there is also a free version to get. You have home screen right here, which you can change the icon sizes. So you can make them a lot bigger or a lot smaller, depending. You have desktop grid, which is 5x5, but again, you can change that as well. You have the dock, item layout, and all that kind of good stuff. Going down here, you have search bar placement, where you want to put the search bar for your Google search bar. You have widget corner radius. Literally, again, as you can see, a lot of different options. Lock layout, shadow, show shadow, widget overlay, all that kind of good stuff. You have app drawer, which again, you can change how big the apps are in that. And all that kind of, wow. So all the settings you have for the home screen, you also get for the app drawer as well. You get folder sizes and folder stuff, search, cards, look and feel, gestures and input, integration, notification badges, backup and store, and all that kind of great stuff. So again, very customizable when it comes to launchers. It's a very awesome launcher. Works very well with the Z Fold 6, which is very nice because I know with the Z Fold 5, certain launchers did not work for some reason, which was kind of annoying because very powerful device, but the launcher had problems, and I'm not sure why. But this one, no issue at all. Shout out to the comment section again for going ahead and suggesting this one. You can also, again, change different styles. Nova settings, home screen, app drawer, folders. Again, you can customize this as much as you want and really just make it your own personal launcher and what you want it to be. So, love the different launchers available. That's why I will always say Android Android is always better than Apple. Because at the end of the day, you can customize Apple a lot better over the last, different iterations and upgrades to iOS. But there's no personalization truly like Android. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one.